friends, today I welcome you to my channel. So this is the third episode of this channel. Today I'll tell you how to make this bookmark. So the material we would use is two colored sheets, a scissor and a cutter. So let's get started. Let's fold this paper like this and now fold it like this. Now cut this paper from this line. So friends, we have got a square after cutting this sheet. So fold it like this and then fold it like this. And now friends, take this side and fold it like this. Do the same like the other side. Now friends, tuck the both sides in this. Now friends, the bookmark is ready. Now friends, put the bookmark on this blue sheet like this. And now cut the blue sheet with the help of a cutter from here. Now friends, take the piece of the paper that we have cut from the blue sheet and fold it like this. Now friends, cut it from here. And now friends, put it here. And cut off the remaining part of the blue sheet. Now friends, I am decorating my bookmark. First, I will paste the eyes. Then the teeth. And at the end, the logo. Friends, now the bookmark is ready. Friends, if you like the bookmark, please like and share my video. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.